What's going on YouTube? This your boy The Vintage, back with a video, man. Today, I'm finally going to be showing y'all the Grail sneaker that I got. I took an L on the sneaker, I say like 2 times because I counted the time when I was in high school they released. And I finally got them today. I've actually been having them for a couple of days now. I just wanted to bring y'all that reaction and wanted to bring y'all that first feels, first vibes of the sneaker because it's my first time ever having a sneaker in my collection. And it honestly means, it means a little bit to me, you know what I'm saying? It means a little bit. Because first I wasn't able to afford the sneaker. Second time I took an L on the shoe. I waited a little bit, got the shoe for under retail, man. So I cannot complain about that. Before we get into this video right now, what I need you to do is subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video or a live stream, man. I did a post and I did a poll. I was asking, are you guys ready to see my ultimate Grail? I would say second to most Grail sneakers. So I got to cross this off the list. I got like 2 sneakers that I definitely need, which I'm gonna let y'all know at the end of the video. But like I said, make sure that notification bell is rung so you always get those notifications. Follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World. And right now, like the video to go for every video is 100 likes, man. I've been doing very good with that. So right now, if you're watching the video, hit that thumbs up, man. Alright, as y'all know, I did a review and on feet over the blue snakeskin lows. I took an L on these and I waited and I got these sneakers up in Nuremberg. I spent like €175. But I need this shoe in the collection, man. This is very dope. Summer vibes. If you're not checked that review out on feet, go check it out. Link will be in the description box below. Or you can just click on the channel and then it'll lead you right to the video, man. So go check this video out right now. Also, I picked these up when I did a vlog picking up those snakeskin 11 lows. And I got the CDG Common Discard Sewn Converse, man. I will be doing a review and like a little style video for you guys showing you how to lace them. Because I know a lot of people don't wear Chucks, but they throw the CDG on there, man. I know it's going to hype it up a little bit. And I know a lot of people going to try to go grab it. And these shoes, I'm saying, like, a lot of people been giving me dope feedback, dope comments about these sneakers. A couple more coming to the collection before I leave Germany. Because I think that a couple of colorways that come out in Germany don't come out in the States. And I don't want to have to wait on StockX to go. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for this review and on feed and style video, whatever I do. And yeah. Alright, to the Grail, man. Like I said, the shoe came out when I was in high school, 2013, I believe. Came around like December time frame. It was very cold. I wanted to get them so bad. I was asking people, I was asking my mama if I can get the bread so I can get them. And a couple of questions turned into a no. And I understood it, man. Back in the day, man, I wasn't getting shoes on the regular, so I wasn't upset that I didn't get them. I was just like, man, I'm gonna get them one day. And I waited. I didn't buy the old pair. I got the brand new pair, which I have right here. And check the box out. So let's show you the box so y'all know what they are. And here we go. Check it out. As y'all know, I took an L on these. I think I did a video about it. And this is an Air Jordan 14 box. Usually, your 14s don't come in this box. All my 13s came in this box last year with the silver box. And yeah, here you have it. Read the size tag. Air Jordan Retro 14, man. You already know I got my last shots. It took me a while to get those. And it took me a while to get these as well. But I waited. I got them for under retail. I'm going to show you how much I got them for. Official size tag reads white, black, and varsity red. I should know what they are, man. Peel them open real quick. And here we have it. Check them out. Check them out. Bam. Air Jordan 14. Rip Hamilton's, a.k.a. candy cane things, man. These things are so freaking fire, bro. I had to get the shoe. Like I said, I was going to get them on StockX. I was going to get them on GOAT, one of the two. But I had these in collection. And a little backstory about these sneakers, how I got them. I waited. I seen that they wasn't doing too well on Sneakers app. I seen they wasn't doing too well on some foot sites. They had a couple of sizes still sitting here and there. And I went up to my local Kicks. And I was like, man, can I order these shoes yet? I ordered them. It took a week for them to get to the store. And I got them for $168, man, which is a major steal. And I had to pay the retail. I paid more for the snakeskin 11 lows than I paid for these, which is kind of crazy, man. When you speak about retail price being $190 on most of these sneakers, I spent less than I spent on the snakeskin 11 lows, which retail for €175. And I spent about $205, man. So yeah, that's a little story about that. I finally got them. And if y'all do not watch, like, I gotta watch the old videos, man, which I talked about some of the Grail sneakers that I needed, some of the Grail sneakers that I wanted. And I'm steadily crossing them off the list. The ultimate Grail, y'all already know, is the bread ones. My boy the Retro Whiskey, he seen my post and he was like, you get the bread ones? I was like, nah, but I was hoping a lot of people did think I got those. Because I know a lot of my subscribers want me to get those. And I still ain't got them yet. Maybe at 20K, I'm going to drop that bag on them things. So as soon as I get 20K, mark my words, you're going to grab the bread ones. So all you gotta do is share the video, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And we're gonna get those bread ones, man. A lot more Grail singers coming towards the channel. If y'all hear me right now, kind of sound stuffed up because the allergies are kicking my ass this year. Hopefully in Texas, the allergies ain't kicking my ass like they did in Germany. Last year it wasn't as bad, but this year, like, oh my God, I can't even wear my contacts right now. I'm kind of blind right now, so y'all bear with me. But yeah, more Grails coming towards the collection. And when I get to Texas, man, the first event, the first thing I'm doing when I touch down in the United States, man, I'm going to SneakerCon Dallas, which I will be there. Me and my boy, director WizKid, and he got kicks right now. We kind of gonna link up, do a couple of things, couple of videos, and hopefully we make a pop for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoy those videos because I haven't did a collab with a sneaker YouTuber or a YouTuber in general in a while. And it's going to knock the rust off for me. I haven't been doing a lot of vlogs, but I did do the vlog where I picked up these Air Jordan 11s, and I'm gonna bring more vlogs to y'all, man. So y'all stay tuned, y'all support your boy, and I'm gonna keep giving y'all that content, man. This is it for this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you grabbed the Candy Cane or Rip Hamilton 14s. I'm very interested in knowing. Like I said, it was sitting on Sneakers App, sitting on Foot Locker, a couple of different sites, and of course it was sitting on Kicks, which I got them. They sent them to the store, and I finally have these beauties, man. I finally got them, bro. These things is crazy. The leather's plush. I'm not gonna do a review on feet, nothing like that. I might do on feet. I might do on feet for y'all. Y'all see it at the end of the video, or I might title on feet. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Take this video to 100 likes right now. If you're watching, smash that like button. And also, if you share the video on your Instagram story, or if you show me that you're watching me or anything on my channel, I will repost it on my story and I will give you like a little shout out. So if y'all want to help your boy out, I'm gonna help y'all out as well. And with all that being said, you guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace. Thanks for tuning in, man.